Hey guys, my guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. My name is Faithok, all the way from East Africa. This is Kenya. This is county 002, Kala County here, and I'm so thrilled to be in this county because everything in this county is so beautiful. I'm telling you guys, it's so beautiful. My returning subscribers, enjoy. You deserve every bit of your time. You deserve everything. You deserve every good vibes. God bless you. In case you're new here, stay tuned. Stay tuned there and then subscribe and hit a like. Leave us a comment. Tell us what do you think about the videos that we are uploading. Thank you so much. So this is the gig. It all starts from this region. This region here is called Gazi. So Gazi means what? It means like Gazi means like there's a mango forest here down here. We are going to see. So let's go. What are we waiting for? Let's go and see what we're having here. Stay tuned. Don't move an inch. Things are so good. Things are romantic. Things are thrilling. Things are the mirror. Things are everything that you can think of yourself. Hey, the outfit of today. Mama Africa. Mama Africa. African mamas. Guys. Have you ever seen me in this dress? It is very beautiful. Ooh, I'm loving me. Loving me so I need. I'm happy you are mine. Hey, are you seeing what I'm seeing? So amazing. Now those girls are coming. Get their hand. We got to hit the road. Let's go.
I knew I'd find you here. You always leave when you can't feel. You tell me to leave you alone, but I can't stay away. I know I should let you go, but there's something telling me no. I know I should let you be, but I keep on thinking of you and me, thinking of you and me.
You're the universe and I was revolving like a sun on my own. I know that you would do anything for me, but I just need to move on. Oh, oh, I was running from a bad thing when I first met you. This is gonna hurt, but it doesn't make it any less true. I never really loved you. I never really did call you my only. I'm only holding on to something in my head. The
tumefika. Guys, tumefika. Guys, tumefika. Wait, tumelanda. Welcome, welcome. And this is the boy, Rasman. And this is my friend, Sharon. You know her. Very beautiful lady. She has nyash. The weakness. She's very beautiful, guys, for real. We just landed. Guys, I'm just thinking. This is our boy who is taking us through here. So stay tuned. So guys, see the beauty of this forest. It is mangrove forest, and as you heard, it is called Gazi mangrove forest. Guys, welcome, enjoy yourself. So we are following him. He just brought us, so we had to get down so that we will not fall down. So we are using a motorbike, and we are going to a very romantic place where you find love. You know, when you find love, where you hit the kisses, and where you shoot a beautiful movie. It's like Titanic. Every night in my dreams, I see you, I feel you. That is how I know you. So I don't know the lyrics, guys, but I'm going to Google the lyrics. Guys, we have a traditional bathroom I'm going to show you for real. This one I have to show you. I'm coming to take a bath here. Hey, Rasman, you have a long way to go. I'm coming to take a bath here. See this, guys? Traditional bathroom. My guys, do you see that? Traditional bathroom. Woo-wee! Gazi women mangrove. Welcome all. My people, here we are. We just landed. It is called Gazi Women Boardwalk Community Initiative with rehabilitation funded by South Coast House. So here we are. Mind the step, okay? Let's mind our step. Welcome all. Yo, let me come, my dear. Ooh. What's up? What's up? Billboard inasema aje? Village tour 500 foreigners. Me, I'm a local 300. Foreign student 300. Primary student 100. I'm a primary student. College student 150. She's a college student. Oh my guys, integrated. Wee! It's very amazing. Groups 1 to 2 adult, 3,000. So bird watching. Hawari. Kuna bird watching. What a shame, man. 3,000. We are talking about thousands. Cultural artifacts, table words. Hey guys, my dear, utatuextendishia. Wewe ni mtu wetu. Mambo dada. Semaje? Habari yako, tutaelewana tu. Hakuna kukosana. Sisi tushafika. Na huku hii ndio hapa, hii ndio base. Hii ndio njia ya kutembea. Very beautiful, guys. Sharon, mimi naenda kusimama huku nichukue mavideo, nichukue now this is good. Guys, a surprise. Sharon surprised me with this. Hi Sharon. Hi. Thank you. She's from Kisii. I'm going to surprise her with the green ones. You are going to take the green ones home. So guys, we just landed, and this is a beautiful tour guide girl. What is your name, darling? Time. Hey, very beautiful lady. For those tourists who come here, don't snatch a girl from here. We need her. Woo! Okay, let's go, guys. We are settled now. We are going to. Tutamwachia kwa nini tuende na kibeti? Hakuna pesa ndani, hakuna lolote. Nenda nacho, unajua mimi nataka kufagia huko alafu niingie kwa ndani. Oh, waingia ndani? Oh, sawa. So guys, my guys, beba tu tuende. Sharon is a multitasker. Patia boyfriend ya bebe. Nakwambia ukishika mdigo huku utabaki huko basi. Asante, thank you so much, guys. It's very beautiful, it's so amazing, it's so sweet. It's sunny dunia. Guys, we are at a very beautiful scenery. Are you seeing? Very romantic. So stunning, incredible. Hey, I'm calling Sharon, guys, because she might get lost. Mind what? Caution. There's caution everywhere. Mind the step. United by best titanium. Okay. Wee! Sharon, now you are in London. Woo! Welcome to the Woo! This is now what we call romance. Yeah? Wow! Hey, the man on the house, the one and only who brought us here. Wee! Sharon, you are feeling you. You're feeling you. Tungekuwa tuna enjoy yake ya Mungu. What happened, man? Me, I thought ni hapa. I thought they are here, so we buy, we eat. Sikula ni mbali, kwenye tumetoka ni mbali. Kama ni guys, this is the romantic, most amazing romantic feature I've ever seen. Oh, down here in the comment button, let me just put my hair well so that I can look so sexy as well. You know, everybody wants to look good, so I think this is good. This is cool. So guys, let's go. It's the romantic feature and we are having caution, so far away, so far away, so far away, so far away. You're my love. Guys, in case you're having your girlfriend, you're having your boyfriend, this is the place. Look for me down here on the comment button. Text me, tell me that you want to like visit this place and I'll bring you here, of course. So let's go and enjoy. What a shame, man. Very beautiful. Ooh, Sharon is there. Let me show you guys. She looks so beautiful. And I don't know what to do, but let's go and see. It is the beautiest, amazing place where you can hit yourself and there is handsome.
I knew I'd find you here. You always leave when you can't feel. You tell me to leave you alone, but I can't stay away. I know I should let you go, but there's something telling me no. find you here. You always leave when you can't feel. You tell me to leave you alone, but I can't stay away. I know I should let you go, but there's something telling me no. I know I should let you be, but I keep on thinking of you and me, thinking of you.
Is it a taboo? Is it a culture that they had to?
Culture.
Yeah, it's a culture. They had to like what do you incriminate?
Yes.
Did they ban? Did they ban? Or they just
They
buried?
buried alive.
Oh, they buried alive, not incriminate. You know, you told me you're a Muslim, so I was thinking that you incinerated or done something of the kind. So there was girls who were virgins who were buried alive. So they are having that history in this region. So he was telling me that if imagine if it were me who was buried alive, could he have seen me, this Digo boy? Oh, we are here, guys. We are in a very romantic cage. Huh? I am here with Sharon. Some of you will think otherwise. I know you people. You might stay saying, oh, blah, blah, blah. I have Sharon with me. My kissy people, you should not like be coming and bad mouthing around. I know you. I am having your kissy girl here. Security top notch. And this Digo boy is not that He's harmless. He's harmless, okay?
Harmless.
Very harmless. In fact, he wants to go to the mosque. 1 hour measure.
Bado.
So we are here 1 hour. So for 1 hour for locals, we pay 300.
200.
300. And for it was 300. To an end. Guys, we have come to an end, and today it's an amazing day, and the one who hosted us at her place is called yeah. Yep. Wow.
Market our product
Mm-hmm.
so we can receive more clients.
Clients, yeah. So guys, you heard her name, and she's from Mangrove, Kazi here. You've seen all the videos that I posted. They are so good, so sweet. Please, in case you're interested in this region, she charges are very, very, very friendly. If I come with my white boyfriend, you will add us up or you will charge us local.
We charge local.
Local?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. So she's giving me some benefit of doubt because I've seen international clients are they have different prices, guys. For international and for the locals, we have different foreigners and locals different prices. But that's why I was asking if I come with my boyfriend who is a white guy, will she change the price? But the price is still the same. So if you're a Kenyan girl and you're traveling to this area with your so-called white man, don't get scared. Come here. She's very friendly, very nice, and she has no means a lot of choo 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 choo. Thank you so much, my dear. See you. Bye, ciao. Let's just go. Sharon, say hi. She too, she doesn't have pepper. That's why I walk with her wrong. Because I have pepper, so I don't want to walk around with people who have poo 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 poo. I guess out, we are getting out, and I'm just kidding. I'm just having fun with my brother here. There's no way we can carry it up. Rasi, It's not really we can carry it up. I'm telling him the so that we can carry it up because it doesn't have to use diesel or something. But it's okay. It's going. We are getting out, guys. So it was good visiting. Guys. Yeah, for real. Why not? Here, using this one, no? Guys, she has nyash. Ooh, I'm jealous. I'm jealous of my friend. Ooh, she has a nyash. Oh my God. She's so cute and honey. Amaru, so cute and honey. Amarula, so charming. Amarula, so sweet and honey. Amarula, guys, we are getting out, and this is my best friend. She got it 5. She kills it, and she has a figure. And this is how she looks like. So beautiful, so humble, calm, and down to earth. And that's why most of the reasons why you see me around with her. For content creators, most of content creators, they love traveling all alone because of one reason or the other. There are people you can walk around with, but they can give you hard times. For her, she's my photographer, she's my everything. I tell her do this, she do this. I tell her do this, she has a figure, she has a beautiful face, she has everything that a woman has, but she doesn't have things which can make you uncomfortable around her. She's the sweetest soul ever. So here we are. We came to visit, and she's looking awesome for real, guys. Am I lying? She looks awesome. Yo, Sharon, I want you to bring me that shot. I want as a present. She looks so stunning. Ooh, guys, we're getting out. See this? This is now Gazi. So we are going home. And this is our brother who is taking us home. Yo. Guys, women. Yo. Ras is tired there. You saying that I'm tired? What is wrong with these women? They're taking videos and I'm so tired. Rosie, are you tired? You're tired, right? Have you eaten? You have not eaten anything since morning, so you must be tired. Yeah,